How to create a marketing budget? Struggling to figure out how much to spend on marketing? Stop guessing. Let's build a smart budget that works. Start with what you want. More sales, brand awareness, leads. Your goals will drive your budget. How much money do you bring in? Marketing budgets are usually 5 to 10% of revenue. Don't blow your cash. Pick your platforms wisely. Where does your audience hang out? Focus your dollars where you'll get the best bang for your buck. Marketing isn't one size fits all. Set aside part of your budget to test new ideas and kill what doesn't work. Remember, budget for tools, ads, and people. DIY only gets you so far. Don't set it and forget it. Monitor your spend and results monthly. Shift dollars to what's working. If your budget's tight, focus on high-impact, low-cost tactics. It's about smart spending, not just big spending. Want a budget that actually grows your business? Start here, tweak often, and hit me up if you want a template or pro tips.